I am Mark Baldeo at Arkulus Solutions. We're based in the Caribbean. We're from Trinidad and Tobago, and we offer project management support and drone packages to the energy industry. So I think most of my career had been on the client side. So like, I kind of know what the client likes or what I would have liked when I was there. So I try to pride myself on delivering service that they're satisfied with. This is where drone nerds come in too, because they're a big part of helping me deliver that to the client. Dan and I hit it off from the get-go, and he's always been there if I needed to call him, to email him. If he didn't answer, obviously he gets back to me, but he's been there 24/7. What I like about drone nerds is they provide an end-to-end solution. So not just the equipment, but the software and even instructions on how the workflow can be optimized. Going in on the after-sales support, I remember one drone package being stuck in customs, and it was due to the war at the time. And Dan and Marianne, shout out to those guys. They have been really, they went far and beyond their normal call of duty in supporting getting it on stock and even some legal advice. So I really appreciate that, that kind of, okay, we didn't just sell you this package, we want to make sure you have it and it's safe in your hands, you're satisfied. The drone nerds guys, they know their stuff, man. They're pretty good.